Welcome guys, here I got my BLU Studio 5.0 and it's has a password on it. Forgot my password, and here I'm gonna show you how to remove the password. So you're gonna hold your volume up and your volume down button, right? Like this, all together, and hold on your power button. Once that comes up, you release. There you go. Recovery, press up. It's going to load into recovery mode. There you go. And you might want to just press on your power button right here, and you're just going to navigate down to wipe data factory reset. So you're going to use your to select exactly, and that's your menu option button at the bottom of your phone. So menu to select. There you go. You might want to just go down to the bottom right here and wipe cache partition as well, and you're just going to restart system and wait for it to boot up. Okay, just let this boot up, and here we go. There we go. I'm going to skip all of this to show you guys that the password has been removed. So skip. There you go, fully functional, as you can see.